Hello YouTubers, welcome back to K Designs. Alright, so in the previous video we finished our architectural modeling. Now I want us to be able to model the structural as well. So let's use our architectural model to learn the structure as well. So if you have your model created and saved somewhere, I think it will come in handy. If you don't, also you can use another model or architectural model you have. So let's just jump in. So before we start, we are going to model the structure using the architecture as a reference, or we are going to link it as well. We're going to link it and model it from there. You can model it directly or by yourself without in there this one architectural link, which is also okay, but I think this one saves you some time. So be able to link it. Let's start. So we'll go to models. Under models, let's go to new. So under new, we go to the templates. Let's pick structural template. So metric structural template here. Okay. So with that, let's go to browse. The default is structural analysis default metric. I prefer using the structural analysis US Canada. Yeah. So let's open that. Which project check, everything check here. Okay. I hope you remember exactly where you have your architectural model. So the first thing you do when you open, you have your GUI, your interface very nicely. You have your datums, everything showing. You can see your level 1, level 2, and have an analytical here. Yeah, so you can see all that. So let's go to insert. So now you say let's go to link Revit. Once you click on link Revit, you have your pop-up. So you know where you saved your model. So you go there. I save my documents. So go there, pick it up. So there's it. I save it KNZ. Yeah. So you just pick that up and you open. So before you open, there are so many positions. We have the center to center, we have the internal origin to internal origin, shared by coordinates, project base point. I prefer base point and center, but I prefer to use the default, which is auto center origin to center auto internal origin to internal origin. So let's open. So depending on how fast your machine is, you have it very fast, but if yours is like mine, take you some time. That was just a little joke over there. All right, so once it opens, you have your plan, but you can't see almost everything. You see, you can't have everything in your textual template showing the structural. So the first thing I prefer you do is you hover over the template and you hover over it and click. It picks everything. Then you pin it. You pin it just to make sure you don't move anything around. Once that is done, you go to your structural plan. Then you scroll to your discipline. Change the discipline to coordination. And when you change coordination, you can now see your walls. Yes, your walls were not visible at first, but now they are visible now. Yeah. Thank you. And you're also welcome. All right. So after that, I want you to go to manage. Go to additional settings. These are just preparing the templates before we start the actual work. So I think you won't be seeing, this won't give you any document hits. You're not getting any documents today. I'm sorry. So you have under halftone and underline. You select, yes, under the additional settings, move to halftone and underlay. Then once that comes, pick 1, the weight pick 1. Then change our brightness to 80. This, yeah. It will show back later. This will become profitable. I'll explain to you. So once this is done, you can save your model. So you can use your Control S, or you can just go and click here. So in saving your model, you can save it to anywhere you want it. I prefer to save it at the document. Let's save this structural model. So structural model. Structural model of 3-bedroom house. Yeah, I think that sounds better. 3. Okay, let's for now let's make a structural model. KNZ. Yeah, structural model KNZ. So we have that saved. So before you save that, go to options. Under options, you see every time you save a document in Revit, it gives you a backup of 3. That's by default. You can change, increase this or decrease it, but I don't want to have a lot of backups on my machine to waste space. So let's just change this to 1. Once you change that to the 1, I think that's okay. Then yes, okay, that's then we save. Yeah. And then again, depending on how fast your machine is. All right, so let's get back to business. So after this, we want to create our levels. So let's go to, there are 2 ways. Under elevation, you can either pick south or click on the south datum. Let me show both. So just for new viewers. So when you use the south, that's what you see. On the other hand, if you use the south here as well, it's what you see, right? So by default, Revit has created some levels for us. We have level 1 and level 2. So we have to adjust that. Let's select this and drag it here out. So these are our structural levels here. Structural levels created for us. But the first floor, our level starts from, happens to start at 3200. There's it. That's the line. Not this. This is our one, which is the 300. But we know that our structural member is going to be 150 thick. So 150 mm thick. Let me add the units so nobody comes to pick a ball with me. So 150 mm thick. So let's change this to 3 to 5. 5. Yeah. There we go. So the finishes that will be on it, maybe the ceramic or anything you are going to work on it, will take the 25 allowances. Right. So all those are going to be incorporated in our analysis when we are doing that. But now let's just maintain this. So we have our ground level. We also have to create a new level. So let's go to modify. Let's go to modify. First one, let's use the align tool. So the align, you can find the align tool at modify. So we can pick no, escape. All right. So let's create levels. So let's go to structural template. Let's pick levels. Let's pick this here. So once you pick lines, and just come here, and we have a roof. We have a roof at the roof. So we have a roof there. So let's pick that. Escape. Once you escape twice, let's drag this here so it links up with this. So before then, let's click on it. Let's have this checked. Now let's drag it. You can scroll out whilst you drag. Once you see the dashed lines, you can let go. Then you can do same here. dash lines, you can let go, and let's uncheck this. So now we have this length. So that's 450. That's nice. We have this as well. So we can change the discipline here to coordination as well. Let's go to discipline. To coordination. Let's see what we have. Yeah, that's good. Okay, then last but not least, I also want us to change. So let's go to structure again. Let's go to level. Let's go to pick. Nice. Let's make here 450. And the offset is 450. So let's select our level 1. But once you set it by default, if it's above it, it's going to be positive, and it's below it, it's going to be negative. So click on it, and there we go, negative. So the top of our offset is going to be negative 450. So I want to change that. So let me just break this here and change this to TOF, top of 14. Right. So we have this. I think this was a very quick video. It's best we end here and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos.